Hey guys, this is Jules from thejewelboxstudios.com. Thank you so much for stopping by my video today. Today is a studio vlog kind of a video. I'm at Walmart right now and grabbing some of these bins that I've been eyeballing for about a year. These are from the Home Edit. So I'm going to take them home and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. So I've been thinking for a little while now to probably change this out. So I've been in my embellishment cabinet. I want clear containers that I can see through and I can see how much of what that I have, and sometimes I can just at a glance know if I want to grab something out of the box or not. Then I saw these at Walmart by the Home Edit, and they are 6 by 10 by 10 and it fit perfectly. I can literally fit 4 rows in stacks of 3. It's a nice size. And I can get this out of the sides. I can get those out of the sides. And so my idea is to do maybe even like, let's say these 3. Kaisercraft, Petaloo, and Pink Paisley. All of these 3 can fit in one of these containers. So I was separating them by brand, but I'm thinking I can put 3 brands in one. So I think I could condense it a lot more, and then I don't have to have all of the shoe boxes with just a couple of things in there, you know what I mean? Anyways, it's just the aesthetic of the shoe boxes. To me, they worked fine for the couple year or the few years that I had them in here, but I want something a little bit more sturdier. I want it a little bit more clear, and then I can literally have this one almost free. So I can fit 12 on this bottom, and I can fit pretty much everything that's in here into the bottom row, the bottom shelf, and I can leave the top empty for something else. I can't find them at home at the Walmart anymore, not the exact same one, so I'd have to order it online and have it shipped from Walmart, and they're $10 a piece. So I don't want to spend money on 6 more for up there if I can fill all of the ones down here, the 12 in here, which would be $120. And I already have 4 of them, so I need 8 more. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the other ones and then do the order online. So, all right, here we go. I think the FedEx truck is here with my bins that I ordered from Walmart. I'm getting new storage boxes. I think it's here. It's been a couple days since the FedEx guy came and dropped off my boxes, but I did talk about getting my cabinet done. My husband went and got the 2 little shelves that were sitting in here that I had glued together, and I had him just go and pick up a piece, and he cut it down for me. I don't know the exact size, but it's a 3/4 inch instead of 2 little 1/4 inch ones, and it is one solid piece, so it is nice and big. This is like 1/2 inch plywood, and it's so flimsy that we put 2 together, and I did glue it together like a dummy, but it is super flimsy. It's literally sitting on top of my boxes, so it's not the best. So I need to get another one. So I'm gonna take these out and let's go get the boxes that I left at the door. So these I thought were amazing because they're crystal clear, see-through, and I thought that it might work okay for the stuff that I already have in here. I know that I have some packages, things that are in packages that might not fit because the packages are too big, so I might have to unpack some of that. Thank you, Lord. All right, we're in business. It's all cleaned out. Let's see what I can fit in here. All right, and I'll have to label these too. I'm gonna start with 3. So I have October Afternoon and some Jenny Bolin. This might also be a good time for me to sift through again to see if I need to get rid of anything. What I love about these is that I can fit quite a bit in here. Okay, that's 1 box. 1 box down. All right, next one is Petaloo, which is a lot of flowers. Maybe I won't do that one right now. This one is Pink Paisley. I think I have the paper for this one. This is a pink paisley collection, and probably just leave a sticky note inside that there's embellishments for it, so I need to come and look for it. That might have to be something for another day, but I know that I have some things in here that I have paper collections for. So I just gotta remember when I grab a paper collection, I need to come and look for it here. So there's another box empty. I still have room in here. So I have Bo Bunny stuff that might fit in here. Maybe I can put 7 Gypsies in here too. So this is all I have of Graphic 45. Just a few little like brads and stuff. I don't have a lot. Some hardware and brads. So I'm gonna add that in there. And then 7 Gypsies. So I've got cable rings for albums and things. And then some 7 Gypsies binding rings. They're 10 pieces and they're different metals. And then little crystal knobs. How about recollections and spare parts? This is other metal stuff. Tim Holtz. Okay, let's try these. actually love it. I love being able to see it a lot more clear. I can still see the labels, and I'm glad that I was able to fit all of it in these 12 bins versus having, how many did I have? One, two, I have 21. 21, really? Which was $21 because I believe I just bought them for $1 at the dollar store, at the Dollar Tree. Yeah. Sorry, I had to yawn. This is not laying on top of the boxes like it was before. And now I have an empty cabinet up here, which I have I think it's called bubble fabric. It's like baby fabric. I have like a nice big pile of fabric up there, over there, that's taken up a lot of room, and I probably could put it up here. But let me show you a little closer. So all of the designer company embellishments are all of these 9 bins here. And then in this one, I've got one empty one. I have one that's got some ideology stuff like the little paper clips, and it looks like knobs with little screw backs. And then on the top one, I have like my extra glues and stuff, and some mediums. But yeah, I love this. I love this. Thanks for hanging out with me today and watching as I like rearrange the embellishment cabinet and getting rid of these dollar bin shoe boxes. They came in handy when I needed them, but I really wanted to upscale this a little bit, and I love these home edit bins. I'll link the products down below for the bins. They're 10 by 10 by 6 tall, and so to me they fit all of my stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Oh, I'm having a hot flash. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye. This little bin I've had in a bottom cabinet that's below the embellishment cabinet, and I forgot that I had it there. I just didn't have any room up at the top for it. And when I made my Valentine's Day cards, my watercolor cards, and I took this box out, it hit me that I could use it in there. So that's what I did. And there they are with the rest of the embellishments. I'm so in love with my new cabinet. I love updating the things in the studio. Don't forget that I will have specific links down below and over on my blog. Come by and visit. All right, you guys, have a good one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.